I'm Loz, also known as Dick, for obvious reasons. And this is my dad. We've been living and travelling in our van now for the past 10 days, and we slept last night on the side of a mountain in Spain. Van life does have its perks, like drinking from fresh spring water and doing your morning stretches with a beautiful view of the mountainside below. If you're new to this channel, we're looking for a property that we can renovate and turn into a healing centre.
So we slept on the mountain/hill last night, and I was just wondering, oh Doris, if you were to find a property on a hill or on a mountain, what side of the mountain would you like to be on? Sunset or sunrise?
I get your point, because it's very one thing. It's very yes or no. It's very left or right. It's very sunny in the morning and dark in the evening, or dark in the morning and sunny.
Cooler in the afternoon.
Yeah, so it's difficult to say, but a hill would be nice. It would be difficult because as you get older, you're having to deal with the hills. But at dinner, Ken.
Okay, good answer.
Now yesterday we made plans to go to a lake, so that we shall do.
What was that?
On the morning walk.
Now that's incredible to me. That is like, I am climbing Mount Everest today.
And I'm going to take it in my stride.
Yeah, this is
now we're on the other side of the mountain from yesterday.
Boy, I just love the stone.
Oh, that's the old bridge.
I'm lost in my thoughts, I'm forgetting to breathe. I cannot believe how beautiful your voice is, but I can hear what you're saying because of the wind, and I hate how fast you make my heart beat. My biggest desire turned into simple need. I'll keep chasing my simple dreams. My deepest desire turned into burning need. I'll keep chasing my simple dreams.
Look at that pool there, I don't have people swimming there.
Yeah.
Chasing my simple dreams. My biggest desire turned into simple need. I'll keep chasing my simple dreams. My biggest desire turned into simple need. I'll keep chasing my simple dreams. My biggest desire turned into simple need. I'll keep chasing my simple dreams. My biggest desire.
I mean, how could you not go for a cold water dip in such a beautiful looking place? It's just too darn irresistible. And then I decided to go on a little adventure and found this cool water mill. I would have loved to have seen this in operation. No steps. headed off back to the van to carry on the journey down the mountain. What could happen
It's
next?
like a flat plateau. go down to the river via steps. Be cool, wouldn't it?
This is when the panic started. The keys weren't working. Oh, I wish I had more footage of us panicking, because it was kind of funny. It's not nice knowing that you can't get into your home on wheels. Lesson learned there, always take an extra pair of keys.
Oh, I know what to do. Just lock it again.
So now that panic's over, let's head down the mountain. We do have to deal with the stresses of driving, like when a motorcycle comes out of nowhere and freaks you out.
Oh, bloody hell. Didn't even hear that.
But that's all par for the course. Hopefully we don't get into any serious incidents whilst we're out here.
It's cool, isn't it? It's called Ponty Mills. There's 2 properties which we could probably go to tomorrow. We'd have to be focused on that. Is it straight on?
On our journeys, we've come across all kind of interesting things. This church stood out. This is like something out of Raiders of the Lost Ark, right? Don't want to disturb.
See this double pattern with the roof? We'll end up with some roofs. Part of this our pilgrimage and discovery, it's a pilgrimage and discovery, is discover this. It's got a Stonehenge feel about it. It's a divide. You could have a divide, you know, a pathway divide like that. Random, different. This is definitely just rocks. You pick the rocks and bury them. Maybe there was something on top years ago.
So we're pulling up because we saw a for sale sign in this beautiful luscious place where there's a reservoir just over where Dad said is. So we're going to have a little sneak about. There's the reservoir we're going to go to in a bit.
And then the for sale sign was just up here.
Doesn't look like people are living up here. Oh, look. There's water there, look. Hey, sorry, English, we just...
Que han subido por ahí arriba, por aquí, o por allá. El polo.
Claro, pero si no hablamos inglés.
Espera que ya los compañeros.
Gracias.
We saw this sign.
Esto,
Yeah.
venta.
But your
Sí, esto. 50.000 euros.
50. Okay.
Todo, ¿eh? Es grande, muy grande. O sea, 9.500 metros, hectárea, desde aquí hasta arriba, ¿eh? Aún más arriba donde han ido ahora ustedes. Es grande.
Okay.
Y el sol aquí da bien, ¿eh? Ayer vaya sol, ¿eh? El sol este.
Yeah, right.
Venga.
Take care, mate.
Chao.
That's at least something.
So look, there's a garage for petrol down here. Does it look open? Hola, buenas.
Hola. Full?
Full?
Sí. Gracias.
Con carta.
Muy bien.
30 quid that if he knows.
Yeah.
Really nice.
So we traversed round the winding and bending roads round the mountains, which wasn't without its sketchy moments, especially when meeting oncoming traffic on this tiny narrow road with a cliff face touching your tyres.
Yeah, but they're doing the same as me. I'm on the edge, you fucking do this.
So eventually we made it down towards the lake, but on our way we saw some waterfalls, so we thought we'd check them out, and we're glad we did.
That's a juicy snake.
We're only at the first bit. What? There's so much more. You gotta watch out for the penis piranhas. Goodbye for now, beautiful paradise.
This is a place to explore. Have a
Yeah.
check out of that.
Cool. Just to wash your stuff. Yeah. But you could see us having a thing like this, yeah, for a communal area. I mean, it's definitely got to have a sheltered outside area, don't you?
outside.
Yeah.
I like it, don't
Nice view, yeah. So, marks out of 10 for that spot then, Dad?
Well, everything's got a 10 at the moment.
Is it?
It's always nice to have something to walk up to, but
But that's so
it's hard
good.
to.
Yeah.
Well, this is a spot you could just have fun with friends.
Yeah.
You could really have fun here. This would be a perfect location for a healing centre.
Yeah.
As you say, with all that river.
You could do some amazing stuff. Yeah. So it's called Ocean Montana.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to do a video and just say this is a place to go to.
So we reluctantly said goodbye to this amazing river to finally head to our next and final parking spot for the night, the lake. But we did get into some trouble along the way. Uh-oh, spaghetti. I think we're gonna have to go back there. The road was too narrow and there was a cliff on one side and oncoming traffic. Not ideal. Loads of space, loads of space, loads of space. Is there room on this bend? Yeah, down here, down here. Keep coming, keep coming. This corner here. Here we go. Yeah, keep coming, keep coming. Nice job.
And there's no way I could have gone around there. I couldn't have done anything else. There's no turn around.
Well, that was a close call. So we spent the day by the river. Dad's been thoroughly enjoying the driving.
I needed the cold water plunges. It has helped. It has helped.
The destination is on your left. This is always the dodgy part, finding the parking.
It's out there.
Yeah, it is out there.
It's actually going to get out there.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
I can't see an exit.
There is an exit, I promise you. Trust me.
So I'm going to reverse so I can try and get into that space.
That was fun.
Well, look at this, Loz. I'm like gobsmacked that we've made it.
That's the view.
Beer and sangria.
Oh, beer. Can I have a
Beer.
Oh, sangria. We want a sangria.
I don't know what sangria is, never had it.
Try a sangria.
Kind of like
Nice
that
though, isn't
colourful.
Is it all in one?
Bebe tudo. Drink it all. Like you said.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Bebe, it's drink. Tudo, all of them.
You drink it all at once.
Getting pissed. So we finished off the day after a long drive, thanks to Dad, having a lovely, well-deserved pint in this beautiful lakeside cafe. What a day. Now let's go get in that water. This seems very tourist with all these little boat things.